Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover the free course opportunity from Google in association with Kaggle. So we can have 5-day generative AI intensive course with Google, which is starting from March 31st to April 4th. As there is no last date here, before starting the course, you need to apply. But instead of waiting till the end, apply as early as possible. As the number of slots are filled, they may close this registration process. Though initially they started this course in the last November, that also 5-day generative AI intensive course, and almost 1,40,000 developers are the programmers or the students involved in this particular 5-day intensive course. So, in view of the demand during that time, so they also again initiated the second time here, the speakers they had during the last time. So, they are going to add some more speakers here. At the same time, one more capstone project they are going to add for this particular generative AI course. So what is it? So the course is starting from March 31st to April 4th. We are going to have, and in this we are going to have the basics of various technologies in which are involved in generative AI, and also the techniques behind Gen AI, and the whatever the content we are going to discuss here. That particular content has been developed by Google ML researchers as well as the engineers. So it is going to have in-depth analysis and some examples they are going to discuss with you. So that definitely this particular course is going to enhance your skills. So how does it works? So we are going to have daily assignments here, and the assignments are going to be generated by Notebook LM and also AI Studio. So we need to complete that corresponding assignments as well as, so we have discussion threads also. Kaggle as well as the Google is going to have dedicated server. So that server we can call it as Kaggle Discard server. So which is a dedicated channel for focusing on discussion as well as the collaborating with other team members of that Google or other learners of that particular Google. And daily live stream we are going to have. So we are going to live every day on Kaggle YouTube channel. Go to that channel as a self-paced learning. So they are going to live every day on Kaggle YouTube channel. So where the authors as well as the course contributors will dive deeper into the topics and answer your burning questions. So they are going to live every day to discuss with you. And if you have any queries, you can discuss with them and you can collaborate with them to enhance your knowledge. So later they are going to have capstone project here. We need to do the capstone project to get the certificate here. And if you enrolled in capstone project, then you are eligible for this particular certification program. So we are going to compete with prizes like Kaggle certificate badges as well as swags and recognition of being celebrated on Kaggle as well as Google's social media channel. So on day one, as we said, this is a 5-day course here. And day one, foundational models as well as prompt engineering you are going to discuss. And in this, we are going to have the LLMs, the large language models we are going to have, which includes transformers. Two, the techniques, what we are going to have is fine tuning, interference acceleration, reasoning models, and some live examples we are going to have on this particular topic. And in day two, embedding as well as the vector stored database we are going to have. So in this, we are going to learn about conceptual underpinning and vector databases, embedding methods, vector search algorithms, real world applications with LLM as the trade-offs. In day three, generative AI agents we are going to discuss here. We are going to get here and learn to build sophisticated AI agents by understanding their core components as well as the iterative development process, including recent agent space development. And in day four, the specific to LLM, we are going to have some content here. That means the applications of specialized LLM like SecLM we are going to have, and MedPalm we are going to have. We are going to use these insights in our future prospects. And in day five, MLOps for generative AI we are going to have here. So in this, we are going to practice for generative AI and how it is leveraging the Vertex AI tools for foundation models as well as generative AI applications. So this particular project is going to be live on the last day of that particular training year. So once the training is completed on April 4th, on that day they are going to assign one project here, and based on the project you are going to do. And if you have any FAQs, you can go through this here. Any either new to this particular Gen AI, or if you have some kind of experience in Gen AI, in both the cases you are eligible for this particular program. And what are the course prerequisites? There is no prerequisites here. Anyone can enroll for this particular course, and it is recommended for those who want to drive their career into AI field. And how much time we need to spend on each day? So assignments, we need to have at least a minimum of 1 to 2 hours per day to complete that particular assessment, as well as 45 to 60 minutes of time live streaming or the live discussion we are going to have on every day for these 5 days. So we can complete that. And what is the duration of capstone project means? So on April 4th, on day 5, you are going to have this project here. They are going to assign one project here. On or before the April 13th, you need to submit that particular capstone project, and winners are going to be announced on Friday, April 18th. And you'll get the certificate. All the participants who entered the capstone project at the end of the course. So at least even if you don't complete, also no problem. You have to enroll for this capstone project. Those who entered into this capstone project, they are eligible for this particular certificate. So badge will also come with the certificate that can be downloaded and shared social media. You can add that corresponding badges as well as certificates to your CV as well as the LinkedIn. And the top 10 winners will receive exclusively Kaggle swag and to be featured on the Kaggle as well as the Google social media channels and for their achievement. So will the live streams are recorded? Yes, we are going to have recorded live streams here. And how much is the program? There is no cost here, completely free. Phone number verified. Yes, we need to verify the phone number and who contributed to this course. That is ML researchers from Google as well as scientists designed this particular course, and they are going to teach you. So if you're interested, simply click on register here so that you are going to be enrolled here. So I'm specifying then register. So it will ask you when we click on register, it will ask you the mail ID. Then you can log in with Google, or you can log in with you can create login in this particular Gen AI course. So then it will ask you whether you attended previously. Click yes or no. Then simply click on yes so that you are going to be registered here. So that's all. As you can see here, you are registered March 31st to 5th April. The registration process is very simple, and that's all for now.